Hey, this is Josh with Growlink, and today I'm going to show you how to access the profile settings on your controller. You start by logging into the Growlink web portal, and then go to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Once you select the Settings tab, all of your controllers that you have registered to your account will show up in this dropdown. In this example, we only have one controller. If we select this controller, on the right-hand side, we'll see a Profile button with a cogwheel next to it. If you select the controller profile, you can specify the name of the controller, the serial number of the controller is listed. You can also specify the time zone for the controller. In this case, we're in Mountain Standard Time. The owner of the controller is the email address that it is registered to. There's a field called Status Notification Emails, which is important for specifying where offline alerts get sent to if the controller spends longer than 20 minutes not communicating with our device cloud. There is a lighting shutdown temperature field, which if any sensor reads above this value, will shut off any devices labeled as a light type device in order to protect the plants. And then there's a day range where you can specify when your day window starts and your day range ends. The day start time is when that day starts, and the day end time is when that day range ends. In this case, from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., our controller is assuming that your lights are on, and when you're using specific rule types such as day only or night only, these are the values that it is referencing. You can save any changes made, and then the profile will update accordingly. That's everything that exists in the profile of the controller.